That's my car. It's blocked in. I was meant to move it a long time ago, didn't get a chance, and now look what happened. But where there's a will, there's a way, man. I remember I told you, this car is not going to get destroyed in this place here at all. It's coming out. It's coming out. Look what they've done. There's no way I was going to get it out of there. Look. Look at that. Like, if that one can come out, then I could probably undo it from there and pull it out. But it depends on how good this one's in. Anyway, let's get it out. It's cool. Can't keep a good man down. That's a bottle, that's cool.
Yeah, we'll leave it there. You can jump in and steer it now.
If you can get into it.
Huh?
You got the keys. Little damage on my door there, but that looks like it will pop out. I don't know who pushed on it like that. Hey, it thought it was gone in it. It thought it was gone in it.
I'm gonna steer it. I can steer it from here. I can steer it from here.
Thought it was gone in it. I thought, mate, I'm coming down here, bro.
We'll touch the bottom when we go over here, though.
It might do, man. Unless you put some of this stone down here.
You got wood?
Straighten up, innit? You know what you're doing, dog. Winning. Guys, yeah, bro. Listen, where there's a will, there's a way, innit? If you need a recovery truck, don't hesitate to get in touch. Get you out the bush. Type R. Pending.